What does a day in the life of Elon Musk look like? The man behind Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, the Boring Company, and a dozen other groundbreaking ventures. How does he manage to run multiple billion-dollar companies while still finding time to tweet memes, watch anime, and even play video games? Buckle up, because today we're diving into the insane daily routine of one of the world's busiest and most fascinating minds. Before we start in, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Now let's get started. Elon Musk starts his day at around 7 in the morning. He said that he typically gets 6 hours of sleep, usually going to bed between 1 and 3 a.m. and waking up at a consistent time to maximize productivity. He used to sleep less, but over time, he realized that cutting sleep too much made him less effective at problem solving and overall work performance. Now he prioritizes at least 6 hours of sleep per night, ensuring that he can operate at full capacity throughout the day. The first thing he does after waking up is grab his phone. He immediately checks emails and messages, focusing on anything urgent. Given that he runs multiple billion-dollar companies, his inbox is filled with high-priority issues. Musk has admitted that checking his phone first thing in the morning is a habit he'd like to change. But because of his responsibilities, it's essential to keep an eye on anything that requires immediate attention. He doesn't spend time on an elaborate morning routine, no meditation, no journaling, no slow morning coffee ritual. Instead, he jumps straight into work mode. After checking his messages, Musk takes a shower. He has mentioned in multiple interviews that showering is one of the most important parts of his morning because it helps wake him up and get him mentally prepared for the day. Unlike other high-profile entrepreneurs who swear by cold plunges, long workouts, or intricate morning habits, Musk keeps it simple. Just a shower and straight into the workday. Breakfast is almost always skipped. Musk has said that he rarely eats in the morning, and when he does, it's something quick. If he does have breakfast, it's typically an omelet. But more often than not, he just skips it entirely to save time. He has also admitted to occasionally indulging in less than healthy options, like donuts. Despite his companies being focused on health-conscious and sustainable innovations, Musk himself isn't overly strict about his diet. Once he's ready, Musk heads to work. His work locations vary depending on what requires his immediate attention. Some days, he's at Tesla's headquarters in Austin, Texas. Other days, he's at SpaceX in Boca Chica or Hawthorne, California. And since acquiring Twitter, now X, he spent a significant amount of time at their San Francisco office as well. He also has responsibilities at Neuralink and the Boring Company, meaning his schedule is always shifting. But no matter where he is, one thing remains consistent: his intense work ethic. Musk is known for structuring his workday into 5-minute slots. This means that every task, every meeting, and every responsibility is broken down into short, highly efficient segments. This extreme focus on time management allows him to get more done in a single day than most people could accomplish in a week. If a meeting isn't necessary, he cancels it. If something doesn't require his attention, he delegates it. He has said that he actively avoids long meetings and encourages his teams to leave any meeting that isn't productive. When it comes to his actual work, Musk is deeply involved in the engineering and technical aspects of his companies. At SpaceX, he spends about 90% of his time on engineering, working directly with teams to design and improve rockets, propulsion systems, and spacecraft. He doesn't just sign off on decisions. He actively participates in the engineering process. He reviews blueprints, suggests modifications, and even sketches out ideas himself. At Tesla, he focuses about 60% of his time on product development, working on new vehicle models, battery technology, and advancements in AI for autonomous driving. His hands-on approach is one of the reasons his companies have been able to push the boundaries of technology at such a rapid pace. Lunchtime is another example of his efficiency. Musk doesn't take long breaks to eat. In fact, he often eats while working. If he does have a meal, it's usually consumed in about 5 minutes. There are no hour-long power lunches, just a quick bite while continuing to review documents, attend meetings, or answer emails. His diet is not particularly strict, and he has been known to enjoy everything from sushi to barbecue to classic American fast food. He's also a big fan of Diet Coke and has been seen drinking it frequently. His afternoons are just as packed as his mornings. He continues bouncing between companies, addressing high-level problems, making critical decisions, and ensuring that ongoing projects are progressing as planned. One of his main strengths is his ability to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies and remove them quickly. Whether it's improving production lines at Tesla, troubleshooting issues at SpaceX, or dealing with technical challenges at Neuralink, he approaches each problem with a focus on rapid, effective solutions. As the evening approaches, Musk's workday still isn't over. He frequently holds late meetings, either at one of his company offices or over dinner. If he's at a business dinner, the conversation is almost always centered around work. Whether discussing new engineering challenges, future product strategies, or investment decisions, he rarely takes time off from thinking about his companies. When he's not in meetings, he's often responding to emails, engaging with employees, or addressing urgent issues. Musk typically leaves work around 10 or 11 at night, though there have been times when he's pulled all-nighters to meet deadlines. When he does go home, he tries to spend some time with his children if they're still awake. Despite his demanding schedule, he has said that he makes an effort to be present in their lives whenever possible. When it's finally time to unwind, Musk has a few go-to activities. He enjoys reading books, particularly science fiction, and works on artificial intelligence. Some of his favorite books include The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel, and Superintelligence by Nick Bostrom. He has also spoken about his love for anime, with Neon Genesis Evangelion and Death Note being among his favorites. And if he has time, he'll play video games. Over the years, he has mentioned playing titles like Overwatch, Deus Ex, and the Fallout series. At the end of the night, Musk finally goes to bed, usually between 1 and 3 in the morning. He ensures that he gets around 6 hours of sleep, as he has learned from experience that anything less negatively impacts his performance. And that's a day in the life of Elon Musk. A relentless schedule filled with high-pressure decision-making, extreme time management, and constant innovation. From designing rockets to leading the future of electric vehicles, his day is a never-ending cycle of problem-solving, strategy, and pushing the limits of what's possible. Could you handle a schedule like his? Let us know what you think. Love him or hate him, one thing is certain: Elon Musk is shaping the future, one ambitious idea at a time. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the lives of the world's most extraordinary minds. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.